let's talk about monetizing your ebook. And I'm not talking about just selling your ebook, but when I talk about monetizing your ebook, I'm really talking about using your ebook as a way to generate multiple streams of income. I've been in the online space since 2010, and a majority of my high ticket clients, I'm talking about people that pay me $5,000, $10,000 for one-on-one coaching, people that actually purchased my book. Okay, they purchased a $7 ebook, they purchased a $12 book on Amazon that I wrote, and then through my ebooks and through my physical books, they were then able to get in touch with me. I was able to upsell them on other products and things that I have to offer. I was able to upsell them on affiliate products that I have to offer as well. So this is your opportunity as a book creator and as a digital product creator to monetize that one little book. And this is what a lot of successful people are doing right now. Within your ebook, you want to make sure that you have links. Okay, this can be affiliate links if you don't have any products of your own. So I recommend that you start recommending other products that complement what you are writing in your book. So if you're trying to talk about, creating a website, you should be recommending web hosting platforms to your customers. Okay, so when they're going through your books, they're not just going to read that content and then go out there and start looking for someone to help them with a web hosting. You can then recommend them to go check out a web hosting company that you're currently a partner with. This means recurring income for you. So an ebook that was sold for $17 can actually end up generating you $50, $100 every single month in recurring income. And this is how you're able to monetize just using this one magnet, okay, called an ebook. And this is the power of digital products. Okay, so an amazing platform where you guys can find affiliate products to promote or recommend within your digital products is none other than Amazon affiliates. So Amazon have an affiliate program whereby you can actually sign up for free. And if you just go onto Google and just do a Google search using the keywords Amazon affiliates, and then I'm just going to go with the first one. Depending on where you're based in the world, is going to bring up the page that is relevant to your country. Always make sure that you know your country is actually the right one that is selected here as well. So now what you want to do, guys, is you want to go ahead and actually sign up for this program. This program is free. And once you're registered, you will be able to promote and recommend literally every single product being sold on Amazon right now. This is the beauty about this strategy, okay? So you now have the opportunity to go out there and literally profit from the Amazon platform by simply recommending products to other people within your digital products. Think about it, you probably already shop from Amazon right now. A majority of people have their credit card information stored within the Amazon platform right now. It is already trusted by many people out here, which makes it very easy for you to convince people to buy and shop from this platform. What you want to do, again, you want to go ahead and just sign up. And if you already have an Amazon account, it will ask you to log in with your username and password. So you just want to go ahead and sign in if you already have an Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you want to go ahead and just create an Amazon account. Now, once your Amazon affiliate account is approved, when you log into your account, what you're going to see here at the top is this little banner that says Amazon Associate Site Stripe. Now, this is where you're going to be able to obtain the links to the products that you wish to promote, okay? So let's say, assuming that you were maybe selling a weight loss ebook and you really want to start thinking about the type of products that you can promote within your ebook, right? So think about all the different things that you're talking about, and then you can come on Amazon and just search the keywords of whatever products you're talking about. So let's say you were talking about taking your collagen, for example, right? And you can just go here and type for collagen. So you can see right here, there's so many different collagen products coming up. So let's go collagen supplements for women. Say you were recommending this within your book, right? Then you can just do a normal search, like you would search for a normal product that you wanted to shop on Amazon for, okay? Now, when it comes to promoting products here on Amazon, I recommend that you go for products that have at least 4-star reviews, at least 4 out of 5 as a minimum, okay? Because when people come to buy these products on Amazon, they are going to be reading the reviews. So you want to make sure that you are promoting a product that is already selling so well on Amazon. So when they come on this platform, it becomes very easy for them to trust the product and purchase the product. Depending on what you're promoting, I usually don't recommend that you promote products that are super, super cheap, because, you know, it's just going to take you longer to make a certain amount of money. You really want to be promoting products that are on the high end, so you can actually earn higher commissions. So what you can do is you can go here and sort by price, high to low, okay? And then that's going to bring up the highest price. So let's just say you wanted to go ahead and promote this product, right? Then what you want to do is you want to click on the product, and then you want to go here where it says get link, right? If I just click there on that text button, make sure you're doing this on a computer and not on a mobile phone. You will not see this on a mobile phone, right? So do this on your computer or your laptop. So if I just click on get link, what you can see here is Amazon has generated a short link. This is my affiliate link, okay? So you want to go with the short link option because this is the link that you are going to be adding to your ebook. This is the link that you want to be sending to people to buy the collagen products that you are talking about within your book. So you want to make sure that you copy that. I would say have maybe a spreadsheet. If you have a bunch of products that you're trying to recommend, then have a spreadsheet or a document where you're saving your links with the names to the products that you're trying to promote, just to keep track of everything. So this is the link that you want to be sending to your customers. You want to be adding within your ebook. When you're talking about products, you want to be sending them to, hey, you want to check out the best collagen products? Here's the link, right? Click on this link to buy the product. And the beauty about Amazon is if somebody comes via your link and they go on to buy other products, or they go on to buy another product that wasn't even what you recommended initially, you are still going to earn a commission because your affiliate link is actually being cookied within your browser, which means you can earn any commissions for any products that they purchase within 24 hours. Okay, so which is super, super amazing because now they can come on here, and if they decide to go buy other products on Amazon via your link, you are going to earn those extra commissions. Okay. Now, another amazing affiliate platform that you can check out is digistore24.com. So what you want to do is you want to head over to this platform and you want to go ahead and register for a new account, okay? That's going to prompt you to complete this form. So you want to create your own username. So this is going to be a username that you are going to be using to log into the platform. You want to key in your email, set up a password. And then in this section here, you want to go with the option of I am an affiliate because you are going to be promoting products within the Digistore platform. And then once you just click there to agree to the terms and conditions and continue, honestly, the approval is almost instant. So you should have your account set up literally in the fastest time possible once you complete this form. Once your Digistore account is approved, you are going to be able to log into your dashboard like so. So what you want to do is go to Marketplace and then go to all offers on the Marketplace. Okay, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. So again, very similar to Amazon, you want to do a search here just based on the keywords of the products that you're trying to promote. So again, if you're talking about weight loss, you can come on here and you can search for weight loss supplement. And as you can see right here, we have so many different supplements coming up that you can easily recommend within your book. And a lot of these supplements are high price products as well. And the beauty about Digistore in comparison to Amazon is commissions are much higher. So on Amazon, the commissions can be anywhere from like 1% to like 12%. So the commissions are not very high with Amazon. This is why I always recommend you go with high ticket products. But you can see here on Digistore, there's actually higher commission rates here that you can earn. Okay, so this is literally your share of the vendor. This one's like 60% commissions, which is just crazy, right? You can earn 60% commissions on this product. Look at that, 60% commissions for the sale of this product. So if we go to the sales page, right, just to see what the product looks like. So let's go change that to English. See what the product looks like, right? Check out if they have reviews and testimonials. I always recommend, always promote products that have reviews and testimonials and social proof within their pages because it is going to help you to promote that product as well. So with a product like this, you can see this is something that can continue to make you recurring income over and over and over again, right? Because think about it, right? When somebody buys that bottle, they're going to run out after a month. They're going to come back and buy again. And every time they come to buy again, you are going to be earning those recurring commissions. And even when it comes to promoting on Amazon, also look into products that, people are going to obviously come back and buy over and over again. So always look for products that you can continue to earn money every single month. Okay. So this is an amazing way to create that passive income. You bring in one customer one time, they buy the first supplements, and then they keep buying over and over. They keep topping up every single month, which just means more money for you for doing absolutely nothing. This is what we call sleep money. I have affiliate programs that I am a part of that are bringing me monthly income from clients that I brought in over a year ago, 2 years ago, right? But by just recommending their platforms, I'm able to earn commissions every single month for just bringing in that one client, right? So this is the beauty, guys, about having multiple streams of income and the beauty of digital products and how it can actually help you scale your business and take it to the next level. Okay. So again, with a product like this, if you wanted to promote it, you can just go hit that promote now, and then you will be able to copy the promo link. You can see see the promo link has now been copied. And then you can just go ahead and again, add that link to your ebook, right? If you're talking about health supplements, now you can recommend this product, as one of the best health supplements to check out, Lava Slim, and then, send them to your link, your unique referral link. Another affiliate platform that you guys can check out is clickbank.com. So you want to head over to clickbank.com, and then you want to go ahead. I'm going to leave the links below this. I'm going to leave a link to all those websites below this training video so you guys can just go ahead and register for your free account. So again, very straightforward. You want to register for your free account, okay? And then agree to the terms and conditions and continue, and it's going to get your ClickBank account set up. So I'm currently logged into my ClickBank store right now, guys, and then I'm just going to go to the marketplace. As you can see, let's go over here and just search for dog. I'm just going to search for dog because we're writing an ebook around dogs, right? So I'm trying to find what type of products that are currently here that I could promote within my book and make some money. So we have brain training for dogs. So I'm trying to think about obviously the content of the book and to see if there's anything that is related to, developing your brain, your dog's intelligence. We don't really have that. So I'm not going to go with that product because it's not really relevant to what I'm currently kind of selling right now. The Dogs Way online course foundation help them build better leadership relationship. So we're not talking about leadership, we're talking about diet. So I'm looking for anything that's dog diet related. So I'm looking for products that are actually going to pay me high, something like this, because now we'll have to be thinking high ticket, guys, high ticket. Okay, don't be promoting products that are the same price to what you're currently selling right now. The goal here is to use that low ticket ebook to sell multiple high ticket products. This one is going to pay me $110.20, guys. That's the average conversion of that product. So guess what? I'm going to go ahead and check it out. And guess what? It is a dog supplement. We are talking about dog raw food diet. So guess what? We are going to be recommending some supplements that they can use to make sure that, they get the best results from their raw food diet. Okay? Makes sense? Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out the product first of all. So it's really important to check out the products you're trying to promote. Don't just be out here promoting anything. So check out the product. Okay, it looks like a supplement. And then one other thing I like to look at is it a product that is going to bring me recurring income? What do I mean by recurring income? I mean something that will be paying me every month, right? Yes, definitely ticks the box. So that's definitely something that I could potentially be looking into, as you can see. So this is actually a dog probiotic supplement, guys, as you can see. And this is something that if they ordered one time, it's something they're going to be running out of, and they're going to come back next month and order more, and order more bottles. So this is recurring revenue for me, just recommending a product that aligns with the ebook that I'm currently writing right now. And guys, you can do this with any book that you're writing, any niche that you're writing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get my affiliate link. So to promote that supplement, I'm just going to go here and hit promote. Okay. And then it's going to ask for your affiliate nickname. I've got mine right there. And then if you just go down and create top link, okay, as you can see, that has now created your affiliate link. That's the link that you are going to be promoting, guys. And every time somebody clicks on that link and purchases that product, I am going to be making a recurring commission for a product that I do not own. Can you see how powerful this stuff is? How you can easily build a 6 to 7 figure business, guys, using the power of ebooks. So if I just copy that, I'm going to go back to my book. And there's actually a section here that talks about probiotics for dogs in raw food diets. So that aligns nicely with what I'm trying to promote, right? So probiotics play a great crucial role, da 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 da. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say for the best probiotic supplement for dogs, for your dog, click here. So we want to get their attention as quickly as possible. We're talking about probiotics. So I'm just going to highlight that. And then you want to click on where it says insert link. Okay. And then you want to paste that link from ClickBank. There we go. Look at that, guys. So someone reading this book now is, going through the probiotics and the benefits for the raw food diet. There's a high chance that they're going to go click on this link and check out that product. So guess what? Now you're not only making $17 from selling this ebook. Now I'm able to make recurring income every single month, guys, from this one customer. This is how you're able to monetize your books and make multiple income streams selling just one digital product. And again, if you have your own products that you currently sell right now, you can do the exact same thing. If you have a course, a one-on-one coaching program, you can easily upsell them within your book. You can even be in the conclusion section of the book, guys. You can have a section that says, important next steps, right? So now they've read the book, what's next? Click here to check out the course. Or it could even be a raw food diet planner, guys, that you're upselling to somebody or cross-selling to somebody, right? They can now purchase this raw food diet for dog planner, which actually tells them what meals to prepare for their dogs every single day, right? You're just making the process easy for dog owners and just taking them to all those other things that they probably are going to be needing to make sure that they achieve the best result.